How to get Spotify Premium for free. So first go to your web browser and then just search Spotify. After coming to Spotify, tap on get 3 months for rupees 0. If you don't have any account, then sign up. You can fill all these, but I prefer to sign up with Google. After signing up, you will be directed to this page. And here you can see your start billing date is 29 March 2023. That means you get 3 free months of Spotify Premium. Then enter your bank details and just tap on buy now. Don't worry, money will be not deducted from your account. And just remember to cancel this offer before billing date. So subscribe to this channel for more how to videos like this.